use.
Yeah.
So.
Are you gonna go first?
Okay. No. This is how you play the game. There's teams.
There's teams?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're gonna be my team and you're gonna be mom, and then I'm gonna be mommy's team.
Okay. So what's next?
Okay. No, you. Okay, let me see. See how many. Let's see. You win. There's green. So now she is going to sit here, and I was going to go right here, and then he will sit next to her. So this is how you do it. You get another chair. So in here, and here, next to chair. And then when you go right here, you go right here, and then you right there, and there, like that, okay?
Okay.
So, when you go right here, when you go right here, I'll give you a surprise.
Surprise.